Children, welcome you. You have to study quiescent and dormancy of seeds. Children, you know the seeds are capable to germinate and give rise to new plant. But sometimes seeds are not able to germinate. Germination of seed is suspended due to adverse environmental conditions. When the germination of seed is suspended due to environmental conditions, the conditions which are required for the germination of seeds are not available. Due to that, seeds are not going to germinate. So that conditions is called quiescence. Quiescence is the condition of the seed when its germination is suspended due to environmental conditions normally required for its germination are not available. You know, for the germination of seeds, water, oxygen, suitable temperature are essential. If these conditions are not available, seeds are not going to germinate. So such types of seeds are called quiescent seeds, and this condition is called quiescence. There is one more condition of not germination of seeds. Seeds are not going to germinate even they are getting all the environmental conditions which are essential for germination. So that condition is called dormancy, and that seeds are called dormant. Their embryo is in the dormant stage and the seeds fail to germinate even when they are getting all the environmental conditions which are essential for germination. After getting all the conditions essential for germination, seeds are not going to germinate, so that condition is called dormancy. And such types of seeds which are not going to germinate on getting the environmental conditions, they are called dormant seeds. Dormancy is a state of inhibition of growth of seed due to some internal causes. So children, you have to know what are the internal causes why the seeds are not going to germinate. First is the hard seed coat. Seeds have hard covering, and this covering is impermeable to water and gases. Therefore, the growth of the embryo is restricted, because the growth of the embryo will start when embryo will get water and oxygen, but due to hard impermeable covering of the seed coat, seeds are not getting the water, not getting the oxygen, therefore they are not going to germinate. So seeds are unable to germinate due to unavailability of water and oxygen. Second is immature embryo. There are some seeds like seeds of orchid plant, they are not able to germinate even they are getting all the environmental conditions. Reason is the development of embryo has not completed. So due to partial development of the embryo, seeds are not going to germinate. So they will take some time, and after that their development is completed and seeds are going to germinate. Third is after ripening. After ripening means seeds not going to germinate just after the harvesting. They need some time for rest. So they germinate after some time as they require a period after ripening. So when that period is over, then only seed is going to germinate. Next is presence of germination inhibitors. There some chemical compounds are present that chemical compounds inhibit seed germination. These chemical compounds are found in the pulp of the fruit, seed coat, or they may be in the embryo. So these chemical compounds are preventing the germination of seeds. Abscisic acid, hydroxylamine, and phenolic acids are some natural germination inhibitors. They are present in the fruit of the seeds. They are preventing the seed germination. Next, children, you have to study the breaking of dormancy. Seed dormancy create a problem to agriculturist and horticulturist. They have to wait because seed cannot germinate. Seeds are getting all the environmental factors which are essential for germination. After that, they are not going to germinate due to dormancy. So how we can break the dormancy of the seed? Dormancy of seeds can be broken by 5 methods. First is scarification. Second is low temperature treatment or stratification. Third is exposure of light. Fourth is compounds stimulating germination. And fifth is pressure. Scarification. The dormancy of seed is due to hard seed coat, impermeable seed coat. Then this dormancy is broken by scarification, by rupturing the seed coat mechanically, that is called mechanical rupture of seed coat, or it may be by using some chemical. So that is chemical method of rupturing the seed coat. So chemical methods and mechanical methods are used for scarification, and seed coats are ruptured. Seed coats is made permeable so that it can absorb water. By the process of imbibition, it can take oxygen. Next is low temperature treatment. Many temperate species dormancy can be broken by low temperature treatment. It is also called stratification. The seeds are subjected to low and high temperature alternately. Then when the seeds are treated alternately by low and high temperature, the dormancy of seed is broken. Third point is exposure to light. Light is essential for germination of some seeds. The red region of the spectrum is found most effective and it promotes seed germination. There are some compounds which stimulate germination of seeds. So seeds germinating or compounds which stimulate germination of seed help in breaking the dormancy of the seeds are potassium nitrite, thiourea, and gibberellins. Last is the pressure. Pressure make the seed coat permeable to water and oxygen. Then it will help to germinate the seed. There are some plants whose seeds are subjected to high hydraulic pressure at a medium temperature. So after keeping to high hydraulic pressure, the seed coat becomes permeable to water and oxygen, and dormancy of the seed is broken and seed is able to germinate. So children, I told here, I explained you what is the quiescence dormancy. In the quiescence, seed will not germinate when it is not getting the essential conditions which are necessary for germination of seeds. In dormancy, they are getting the conditions, but they are not able to germinate because the seeds are embryo are in the dormant stage. So that causes of dormancy of seed, I told there are hard seed coat, immature embryo, after ripening, and presence of germination of inhibitors. Dormancy of the seed is a problem for agriculturist and horticulturist because they want to germinate the seed, they want to grow the plant. So there are some method of breaking the seed dormancy. The methods are scarification, stratification, exposure to light, compound stimulating germination, and pressure.